Hey guys, today in this video we're going to learn on how to know when a reel was posted on Instagram. And all you have to do is to launch our Instagram application. And then let's say if you want to check on a specific reel, which is let's say this one, all you have to do is to launch this guys. Tap on the guy's profile. Then here at post, we are going to scroll down until we find that specific reel that we had watched, which was this one. We can tap on it. You can see it's actually a reel. You can still check on this other side. So you scroll down here at the grids. You can see it's still a reel. We can decide to choose another one. Right, let's see, we decided to check on say this one, and in here we can see that it was actually posted 15 hours ago, and that's how we can actually know when a reel was posted on Instagram. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.